So why would being united be a testimony for the reality of Jesus Christ? The reason is because true unity is rare, and especially with large groups of people. It is not an easy thing. So why is it so rare? Well, it's rare because every person is different. Not only is every person created differently, every person has different experiences. Every single person. And we all have these experiences. So we're all different. And that's why true unity among large groups of people is tough. It's very difficult. And that is also why it is such a testimony to the world that Jesus is alive and Jesus is well, when brothers and sisters dwell together in unity. And the challenges that come with unity, I know from experience, are not for the faint of heart. But I got to tell you that the blessings that come from unity, whether it's a small group, whether it's a large group, the blessings are really worth it.